We live in a world where money is no longer coins, notes, or even cards. It's invisible. You tap your phone, scan a QR code, subscribe to app, split bills with friends, and before you know it, your bank balance is crying. The era of invisible money. In this video, I'm going to be exposing the hidden leak in your wallet, how digital money psychologically is being used against you, and the powerful hack and step-by-step that you need to grow your wealth in this cashless future. Stay tuned with me because this could be the financial wake-up call you've been waiting for. Welcome to Choma Media once again. I so much appreciate you. So let's start here. What is invisible money? Invisible money is any form of digital, automatic, or passive financial transaction that doesn't feel like real spending. It includes things like auto-renewing, subscriptions you forgot about, contactless tap payment, buy now, pay later scheme, in-app purchases, micro transactions in games or services, auto deductions for streaming, cloud storage, and fintech apps, and so on. The brain reacts differently to cash versus card versus phone versus face scan. Studies show we feel less pain when spending digitally, which means we spend more often than more recklessly. Here is the surprising part. Invisible money is the number one reason people are broke without knowing it. You think you're budgeting well, but there is a silent and outrageous spending happening within. For example, the subscription that most people have is between 7 to 15 active subscription. That's an average of 150 to 300 of your denomination monthly. The buy now, pay later is a service that when you purchase, you are allowed to pay that a lot of people are enjoying. So you think you are paying later, but it's add up to your debts and draining your financial income. Have you ever noticed how your app asks for upgrade when you are feeling productive? That's spending psychology at work, designed to make you spend invisibly. Here's what they don't want you to know. Digital payment systems are designed to disconnect you from your sense of spending. Decoupling like exchange equal no emotional reaction, subscription anchoring one-time small payment, trick your brain. Lose aversion reversal. You don't feel the loss of money digitally. So while you're budgeting manually or using spreadsheets, you are actually swimming against a psychological current. Here is a 5-step plan to reclaim your wealth in the invisible money era. Step 1, perform a money audit. Use tools like Truebill or Rocket Money to perform that. Cancel what you don't use. Automate only the essentials. Make sure that those things that you don't need are cancelled. Step number 2, set up a spending sandbox. Create a digital play money account. Load a fixed amount weekly for discretionary spending. Step number 3, use physical anchors. Carry a small amount of cash. Log digital purchases in a handwritten journal for 21 days. That will help you to guide how you are spending money. Step number 4, delay every digital purchases by 24 hours. That will add frictions to fast spending. Use browser blockers or reminder. Step number 5, invest the differences. Calculate what you save and invest it in high interest savings account, ETF, fractional shares with platforms like Bamboo or Robinhood. The wealth opportunity in invisible money are like a twist. If invisible money is where we are spending cash, it's also where we can quietly build wealth. Using micro investing platforms like Icon, Restvest, automate savings with random futures. Digital side also using apps and tools like affiliate links, digital downloads, AI content can be used to leverage AI to track, predict, and grow your finances. This is the future of money. It is silent, it is psychological. And if you are not aware, you are being drained of your money daily. But you are not just spender, you are a builder. Let's use this knowledge to flip the system and create wealth in a way most people won't even see coming. If this open up your eyes, share it with one person who is living paycheck to paycheck and wondering why. You might just change their financial life forever. Hit the like button if you found value. Subscribe for weekly financial wake-up calls. Drop a comment if you're falling into any of this invisible trap. And remember, it's not how much you earn, it's how much you keep and how aware you are of where it's going. Thank you for watching.